So, Wanbo just released this 2025 X5 Pro projector. This is an upgraded version of the previous model we tested here on the channel. There's a few videos when we cover this projector here on the channel. Check the links down below. In this short video, very casual video guys, we're gonna check these new features, we're gonna put it to the test. Let's try to keep this video as short as possible. We're gonna compare it side by side with the previous model, and of course we're gonna test it a little bit further. One of the main upgrades is the HDR10 support and 4K online streaming such as Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video that wasn't supported on the previous model. Another addition is the support for HDMI 2.0. Visually it looks exactly the same as the previous model, so you got these small details in gold on the front. Yeah, everything else is the same. Okay guys, so we have the two units here side by side. So previous model 2024, brand new model 2025. Although they are similar, that one has a cooler tone. Yeah, that one has a more of a tint of magenta, while this one, for me, it's more natural in terms of sharpness, guys. You can see even those small words there, share, subscribe, and same on the previous model. So in terms of sharpness, both are pretty good. Colors wise, same. Saturated as well. I'll put on the screen the main differences between these two. Out of the box, standard colors from factory. I think this one is a bit better. If you look at the scale of grays on that one, previous model, you can see a tint of magenta, and on this one, the gray is more natural. So I would say in terms of white balance, the new model is better. Please excuse the mess, but it's the only way we have to test it, the two side by side. So with these clips, we can see how both are very, very similar. So it's very hard to tell because that one has that magenta tint. Yeah, on this clip you can see the main differences there. The camera is trying to compensate which one to focus, but hopefully you get the idea. So guys, for Netflix, in theory that one should support 4K while streaming these online services. The previous one only 1080p, which is pretty good. I cannot tell the differences here. That one looks a bit more darker, probably because of the HDR support, etc. It's really hard to tell. I would say the brighter scenes on this one will pop a little bit more. I'll let you guys be the judge. And checking Prime Video, you can see this one has the option to turn on HDR there on the video, while the previous model, same app, same version, you don't have anything to check the HDR on or off. If you go into the title info, you can see HDR there, while on the previous one you cannot. And I have to be honest guys, I don't see a lot of difference between these two while playing this content. Although that one should be 4K, etc. I'm not sure if it's playing 4K. I cannot see it on the app, anything saying 4K. This title supports it, so I'm not sure. This is what we get. Next, let's play some HDR content from a USB stick. Okay, so HDR content is playing on the new one, while it's not supported on the previous model. And guys, let me just say, image quality looks pretty good. The amount of detail, it's impressive. Yeah, same with this clip, also cannot be played on the previous model, while it's playing pretty well on the new 2025 model. On YouTube guys, you can see both support 4K, but only the new model supports HDR, so same video, same everything. Yeah, there you go. Don't get me wrong, both are pretty good guys. Another nice new feature is this ambient mode that is not present on the previous one. So let's go with the spiritual massage, and yeah, you can have this on the full wall, pretty cool. As you can see, you got loads, meditation moment, companion time. Alright. As you can see on the DRM info app, we can see HDR10 is supported on the new model, while there's nothing on the 2024 model. And of course, both are Google Widevine level 1. In terms of sound, small upgrade for this one, 12 watts in comparison to 10 watts for that one. Also, the acoustic chamber on this one has been improved, so we're going to test that now. Hopefully this will give you a good impression. To be honest, I cannot see a lot of differences between these two, but I'll let you guys be the judge. I think it's the same thing with the fan noise, so let's put it here. So in terms of fan noise, as you could see, that one is 0.3 decibels quieter, but to be honest, I cannot notice any difference. So guys, what can I say? Of course, the new model has more features and it keeps all the good specs from the previous one, 1100 NC lumens. Of course, Netflix certified, Google Widevine level 1. In terms of fan noise, pretty quiet, same as that one. Sound, for me, it's the same, but on specs, that one, it's louder as well. And in terms of image quality, etc., this new one keeps everything as sharp as possible. The colors are more natural, more balanced. I would say, guys, if you have a opportunity, go for the new one. Model 2025, you can see there the buildings on the background. They are pretty noticeable there. Yeah guys, I'm going to leave a link down below for the new model, the 2025 model. Very capable. I do like this X5 Pro a lot. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Like always guys, thank you very much for watching and hope I can see you all in the next one.